some of our attendees are asking about rural laundromats or smaller town laundromats. Is that anything that either of you want to speak to as far as the demographic characteristics of that type of a store? Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay, Lee.
I'd be happy to.
Okay.
I was born in a very small town.
Okay.
So
Go ahead.
in a small town, the main thing is that there is not too much direct competition. And so that means if you're in a town of 5,000 people and you have 3 laundromats in town, that it's going to be really hard to invest in the type of laundromat that you want, with equipment that's going to last, and produce a really good net income and cash flow, if there are 3 laundromats in a 5,000 person town. Now, as I mentioned before, we went into a 5,000 person town in 2 miles, and we're the only game in town though. So that completely changed things. And there's no Walmart there again. It's actually pretty close to our main office, and it can work. It works beautifully there. It was an opportunity for us to buy the property, so we are also the landlord. But we're at about 5.5 turns a day there. Got there pretty quickly, and it has far exceeded expectations. So do not let small town scare you away. Just make sure that you are close enough to maybe a larger town where people go into work, and they just simply live in that smaller town, and that there is enough business growing in that little town to support your target customer base. So just make sure, if there are only a few thousand people, that there are not too many laundromats to try to serve that market.
Sure. Okay, very good. Mike, do you have anything to add to I know you're in Dallas, anything to add to the rural market?
No, I don't, but I was glad that Lee gave that answer, because I think it is there's a valid business out there for a small town laundromat. And, I think there's some validity to it. And I think, it's just has to be done right. And obviously they're able to do it right. And so, yeah, I mean, I was just happy to sit and listen to the answer.
Same here.